Welcome to this video on building my own coats, personalised for myself. If I can, because I'm having to hold my camera, so it's a bit difficult, but I'll just get things out. That so go nicely with some of them coats as I have down there, I hope. We'll have a look at this greater detail later on. It's in the LMS delivery. No second class. I don't. If anyone knows why there's no second class on here, it's got third and first. But if anyone knows, please comment and I'll listen to it and accept that. Oh, windows. It's eyes. Looks like they're bathroom windows there actually. You can got bathroom windows, which are slightly faded. Not bad. Up inside and the bottom. So you've got all your seats and stuff. I think these are the bathrooms. It's got two bathrooms, this one. There, I believe. I'm not sure, we'll just see how this goes together. Next we've got the bottom. Not a lot of detail, but come on, it was £10 this kit, so the instructions obviously. Double gauge chain, 57-foot non-corridor composite coats in maroon, LMS maroon lined, made in Wales. Be using that, I think. The roof. And the bogey and rates and etc. Right. I thought you would just get the bogies, but no, you have to build them yourself. Okay, so seeing as I've got no camera stand or anything, I'm probably going to end up cutting back at key points instead of always like holding the camera. As it's difficult, I've got one hand to build, one hand for camera, and no hands to drink. So yeah, I'm going to end up cutting back at key points in the construction. Back in a minute. Right, so welcome back. I've got this on, the walls and the bottom, but now that I look closer, it hasn't came with any glue. Well, that's disappointing. That's gonna get the scores up for this kit down quite a bit. It's just lucky I've got some in my trusty railway toolkit. Right, so back again very soon. Alright, so welcome back. I've got the windows in. It turns out I was trying to put them in upside down. Oops. But now I've got this one out to compare for the roof, which I'm attempting to make now with all of these little things I have to snap off and put in these holes. I just wasn't sure how they were meant to go, so I got that other thing out, but I know now. But these are just so awkward and fiddly, and my brother's dropped the camera. Well done to him. But yeah, these are difficult, these roofs, trying to get them right. Looking at that one, I think I know how it's meant to be. If I'm all facing forwards, like that. But it's just a lot of work, this. Right, so back soon, hopefully this time when it's complete, or I'm putting the bogies together. Right, so I've finally done it. All these small saw things really hurt your nails when trying to get them in, but done it. But now we are on to the bogies. The favourite part of any kit. This in tight bag. This part I'm going to leave on film, because I've got my little brother to help his video now. He was busy earlier, but he's not now, so I've gone to help his. So I'm grateful for. You have to give us a minute. See, I've done bogies before, so I know how to do these ones. So no need for them instructions anymore. Plastic wheels, so slightly annoying, but I can replace them with proper wheels if I wanted to. This can get really annoying. It's dead fiddly. You need a good amount of light and precision. And that is ready to go on. We're not the best wheels, but this was only a £10 kit. If you're looking for the model shop, it's just next to the Richard III Museum. Just so everybody, if anyone wants to go check out their store, which I would, it is good stuff. So, it's next to there, on the walls of York. I live in Newcastle, so if anyone knows any good model shops around Newcastle, I can go to. I know about models of them, but any professional like railway shops, if you know what I mean, comment and tell me, I'd be grateful. Oh, this isn't fun. Looking for parts. Especially parts that small as that. Makes things so difficult to find if they go away. Sorry about any noise in the background. Can't be helped. It's my dogs. So I might do a video to self give them at some point, but not today. Let's come backwards. 1 second. See, this is the problem with kits. So you don't really have a guide. I know you have these instructions, but they're not very accurate. See, it's a completely different coat to these pictures. So, oh come on, it's on upside down. You can tell I've never built a kit before. And there we have it. I've still got some little bits of extra detail to go on, but I won't bother with them right now. I've just built myself my first kit. Thank you for watching. If you wanted to see more kit builds, like this video and comment, or you can subscribe or anything. Just make sure I know that you want more videos. Let's say if I get like 50, I'll get another kit. So thank you for watching. Comment and subscribe if you want more kit builds. Well, actually, I'll show you this running with 2 other coaches back in a second. So, hello and welcome. This is the running part. So what I've got 2 normal coaches I got with the Hogwarts Express. Then I've got the one I have just built and freight van. Not freight van, brake van. And so here we go. If you want to bring the class 40 around the corner, slowly. The class 40, sorry, I keep saying that. Class 37. Right. And take it away. Just nice and slow. I mean, seeing as this locomotive's not been ran in yet, I think that is pretty damn good. Oh, stop a second, Luke. This I've been having problems with all day for derailing. I was just seeing if it would work, but no. I'll take that off and I'll do some work on that. Sorry about that. Yep. Right. So there we go. I'm sorry I had to remove one of them, but I can't really help it. It's not my fault this doesn't want to work. Right, so I've told you about running. The codes I have built works. If you have any kit requests, I might get them and build them myself on video, like properly on video, not like I have for this one, simply because I only had one hand. I'll have a camera stand or a brother then. And yeah, thanks for watching. Remember, 50 likes and I'll get another kit. In fact, no, let's go 25, seeing as hardly anybody knows about this channel, which is annoying. But still, anyone who does know about this channel, thank you, and I'll probably end up getting one, even without the 25 likes. Yeah, thanks for watching, and just finish by looking at my brother's iPod he's left there.